So since I launched the Pixel Hub, how many months ago after I got the Pixel robot, I've had a lot of questions, a lot of people in the DMs asking me about this particular kit, if it's for sale, what it is. And so I just wanted to share a little bit more information about this and sort of how it even came about. So I got the Pixel robot, and one of the first things that I've realized is that the cable management, it was terrible. And so my mission was to consolidate all of that cabling and all of the accessories that you would need to use this robot as a proper cinema system and just consolidate it in this one box that I've called the Pixel Hub. Now, this is just something that I've went away, I've done some research, got some parts, put it together, and just made it work for me and for my particular workflow. It's easy to carry around, easy to use, just pick it up and it's all plug and play and it's ready to go when you're in set. So I'm just gonna kind of break it down really quickly for you guys. So if we start from the bottom of the box, we have the power input. So this is my 230 volts input into the box with an isolation switch just here. And then up from that, I've got my Ethernet ports. Now this is where I get the communication from the laptop, and also I can have an output going to for the Action server, for example, or for the FIZ box. So just up from that, we have the connections for the robot. Now this is where the robot power and data connects to. So that come directly from the single loom from the robot just into here. Next up from that, we have the power output. So we have 12 volts output to the camera system. That is to power the camera via the loom. That goes to the camera. And we also got some USB-C ports here that just provides power. To be honest, it's just a nice to have, and everything that you get usually have, you know, a bit of USB-C power on there. So I thought, why not bang some in there? Right in the middle here, we have the FIZ. This is the FIZ port. So a FIZ cable from here runs all the way up on the loom, onto the robot, onto the FIZ motors. Moving up from there, we have the motor control interfaces. So here we have our driver for our stepper motors ×2. And what I use these for is for controlling the slider motor that the Pixel sits on, as well as a turntable, or it can even be for my iPhone 360 roller rig, which is stepper motor based as well. And so I can control these from here without having an additional stepper hub box, for example, to do that whilst I'm using the Pixel. These switches here just isolate either motor 1 or motor 2 respectively. So I hope that answered some of your questions about the Pixel Hub, and really what it is just a solution that I made for myself just to help me to consolidate and just make everything a little bit more streamlined when I'm working with the Pixel robot. Hope you found this helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.